Grandma! What the heck? Devin, say what's up. Say what's up. Hey guys, welcome back to my... Oh, sorry.
Handing out special. Bitch, I got a schedule. Get myself together. I would never settle.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Kilah here. You already know we're back. We are going to State Fair with the gang. 4:26 p.m. Kinda surprised I woke up early. Bono. Okay. Say hi, Bono. We got it. That's it. The camera got it.
I know, right?
Yeah. This is the fit, guys. Fit? Oh yeah, I didn't really show you guys the fit, but hey,
I know, I took my because I knew I was going to get anxious.
where should we go? Oh my god, we should go. Ready to get pina coladas, pineapple.
Una cubana? Cuban? Yep.
With that time. We all eating good. Yeah, we all eating good. See, we eating good. Yeah, so cute. Okay, show the fit. Show the fit. What's the fit today? Okay. Show the fit. Okay. Can I have one? Yeah. Sure? Yeah. I'm for all of them. Hey, hey. Try to get in there. Yeah. Go crazy, yeah. What's this? What's this? Like the rides, oh my gosh, I'm gonna record at night. So I'm gonna save my battery, but I will record some good ass clips. I'm gonna record some videos off my phone as well. Look at everybody up in this bitch. Look. That shit. How are people?
That's a lot of fun.
Oh, yeah. We signed. Look who I ran into. Hi. What's up, Sarah?
What's up? We all scared of the ride.
Eat that white turkey. Oh, they're just sleeping. Like the big mama. Here, mommy. Hey. Look at the ball. God dang. We can see you. You can see him. Wow. Please don't embarrass me. Look at the rides over there too. Man, it's gonna be bad night. I know. Oh yeah.
I gotta put my phone through the hole to see.
Oh, look at the cookies.
I can't get a good video.
Look at the fucking view. You guys like my pen? Yep. Where's Justin? Where's Justin?
They bumpy here.
Up in the house. Up in the house. Yeah. We all waited in line for these fucking tickets, bro. Say what's up.
Follow me on the gram, big sound on, man. Right here.
Follow me on the gram at d.lark2, man. I got Lil James, LILJAME.
Follow me on the gram at J03J.
We're about to go on the ride.
Oh, what's up? We out here at the Minnesota State Fair. It's lit. We call this the Great Minnesota Get Together. And guess what? I chipped my tooth today. See that?
Oh wow.
Cookie dough.
Oh, cookie dough.
Yeah, seriously.
Wow.
You got a YouTube channel?
Yeah, I do.
Shout out.
Tequila SOM.
Hey, what's up, Kilah Som? Shout out. Follow her.
Thank you.
Like. Ew.
Thank you. Thank you. That's what Minnesota is, bro. We out here. We out in this bitch. Fucking Devin.
Fuck you. Fuck you. Why do you got goalies?
Thank you.
So, damn, that big as hell. Hold on. What's up? How y'all doing, bro? Big Customs in the building. You feel me? Hellcat around the neck. You know what I'm saying, bro? Hey, no. Hey, go follow her. Go follow her YouTube channel. You feel me, bro?
These are real.
You know what I'm saying, bro? We all here. Big body. Yeah. I got you.
Okay, we got the Tahoe and we got the Jeep SRT. Okay. I'm so wet. What's up, gang? We out here in the fair. You already know.
I know it is. Honey Bird. Back on the vlog.
Yeah, he back. Me too.
It is.
She know what the. She said, "Oh, we're not recording." Fireworks night.
We out here with Kilah State Fair.
We live. For her at right here.
Yeah, follow me, add me,
Yeah, you already know. Oh,
What's up? We in the State Fair, Minnesota. What's your name?
I'm Kilah.
We out here with Kilah. You already know. She out here. We missing tequila shot though. She about to get fucked up.
We just missing the tequila. We missing the tequila,
Oh no, we missing it.
Yeah. She just got started.
Yeah.
For a sec. At the State Fair with it. You see I'm with my girl.
You already know.
Follow.
What?
Oh shit, with the camera. And she's starting me at Demure LVDEMURE, man.
Hey guys, you already know. It is 10:17. We're still outside. Bro, I'm looking by myself though, so. We're in the bin.
She's a YouTuber, everyone. Look, YouTuber. Hey, she a YouTuber.
I won this. Bro, I literally spent all my tickets for this bitch, bro. Ain't shit. But you know, we're about to leave. It's, what time is it? It's 11:16. We are getting pickles. Yeah. We're getting pickles. That's my little cousin. Fried pickles. We're going on the other side. We're not just trying to walk though. So. Getting some cookies, the famous Sweet Martha cookies. It's okay. You got it. Here you go.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. You have a good night. Bye. Guys, we're leaving.
In and out special. Bitch, I got a schedule. Get myself together. I would never settle.